Anna Hazare's fast has entered its second day, but Hazare has stood firm on his demand. Now, the veteran social activist has also slammed the government, saying politicians are not to be trusted. The veteran social activist who continues to fast in New Delhi has spoken out once again this morning, saying that the government was misleading the nation and that he does not need any help from any political party to join him in his hunger strike.
ये जनता के दिशा भूल है कि प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं। अरे इतना दिन से आपको सोनिया गांधी को मैं 2 महीना से लेटर लिखा है, पंत प्रधान से लेटर लिखा, ये जन लोकपाल बिल, इसके बारे में हम चर्चा करना चाहते हैं आपसे। मुझे समय दीजिए हम लोगों को, और समय देकर हम लोग बैठेंगे, चर्चा करेंगे। जवाब तक नहीं आया। करप्शन में जुटे हैं सब। कौन साफ है आज? कौन साफ है? पक्ष और पार्टी सब करप्ट में डूबी है। हाँ, एक है कि पक्ष में पार्टी में कई लोग अच्छे हैं। जब तक जीना है वो देश के लिए जीना, और जिस दिन मरना देश के लिए मरना। अरे आरएसएस क्या और कांग्रेस क्या और बीजेपी क्या, किसी से लेन देन नहीं हमें। ना हम अपने लाइफ में किसी पक्ष और पार्टी के साथ गए हैं, ना उसके नजदीक भी नहीं गए हैं। कल मैं यहाँ अनाउंसमेंट किया, कोई भी पक्ष और पार्टी के लोगों ने इस स्टेज पर नहीं आना।
That was Anna Hazare speaking this morning, but let's also tell you that a government doctor has also paid a visit to check his medical condition. And his fight against corruption is now being embraced across the nation. Indians from every corner of the country, from at least 7 cities, have joined their voice to Anna's demand. Now, students, doctors, corporates, young and old, have all come onto streets, and the one national outcry seems to be that the government passed the Lokpal bill and finally put a check to the rampant corruption.
Who wants to get rid of all the powers that they have as of now? So Lokpal bill is something which will bring in a lot of accountability, which these guys don't want. And then the discretionary powers that they have, again, they will lose. So I don't think that's primarily the reason why it has been hanging fire all this while. And if Anna Hazare can make a difference, we all should be supporting him.
I actually do support the bill. We really need to get rid of the corruption right now. It's like it has crossed all the limits. And yeah, Anna Hazare has taken up a good cause. And being a very eminent personality, he's obviously bound to get a lot of support from the people, and common man should come in support of them.
It's mainly, I think, the politicians, they play a main role. So, and politicians, they don't allow these type of bills to be passed, because if these type of bills will be passed, they will be the first person to come under the light. So I think all the people of India if we all are the patriotic, we have that patriotic image and everything, every one of us should gather and go for he is doing the fasting today, in Delhi so we all should gather and support him.
Since we are having a situation here, we are in democracy. In democracies, changes take long time to take place. Anna Hazare Sahib, I welcome his move.
Corruption in this country is a big problem. Seeing the scams that have recently erupted, it is a big problem, and it affects the general people of this country. The citizens of the country are affected by it. So Anna Hazare has started a real good movement, and I think that the people of India will support his movement, and it will have a big impact on this country and the people who are involved in the corruption.
Anna Hazare's indefinite fast is for the passing of the Lokpal bill, a bill which will give more teeth to the fight against corruption and will also allow independent watchdogs to be formed to check corrupt officers.